This is the original silicone band that comes with the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. The only problem is it is not breathable, hence you will sweat a lot when wearing it. Now this you see here is the replacement watch band for your Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. I have been wearing my watch with this watch band for 4 months now. Its material is canvas, and as you can see here, it has become very dirty from all this sweat. This stripe used to be white, by the way. I don't recommend buying this watch band. I prefer the silicone one more compared to this one. But unless you want to constantly be washing your watch band, just stick to the silicone one. Generally, it's good quality, and it is very comfortable on your wrist and for long-term wear, but still a red flag. What do you think? Drop your opinions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.